Hello everyone, welcome back to our Excel courses. This is day 3. Today we are going to learn cell refreshing. This is one of the most important topic in Excel. If you understand cell refreshing, Excel formula will become very easy for you. So please watch this video till the end. What is cell refreshing? First question, what is cell refreshing? Cell refreshing means telling Excel which cell value use inside the formula. Okay, for example, A1 plus B1. Here A1 and B1 are called cell refreshing. There is 3 types of cell refreshing. Relative cell reference, first one. By default, Excel uses relative cell reference. Let me show you an example. A2 multiply B2. Now when you drag this formula, Excel automatically changes the value. It's called relative cell reference. When do you use relative cell reference? We use relative cell reference when the same calculation needed for many times, many rows or columns. Calculating marks, price multiplied by quantity. This is the most commonly used cell reference in the Excel and is by default. Absolute cell reference and a fixed cell reference. Now let's talk about absolute cell reference. Look at my formula carefully. A2 multiply $E2. This is dollar sign means this cell is not changed when the formula is copied. $E, $1 is fixed. Shortcut tip: to make cell different absolute, select cell B and press F4 on the keyboard. There is F4 on the keyboard. When you do use absolute cell reference, we use absolute cell reference when tax percentage fixed, commission rate is fixed, any context value is used to fixed. So now mixed cell reference. Now comes mixed cell reference. Mixed cell reference means one part is fixed and one part is changed. Example, $A1, $1. Here dollar become column means column is fixed. Dollar before row means row is fixed. Mixed cell reference is mostly used in table and advanced calculation. Practical example, if there is on table 1, so let's do with the practical. I will tell you what exactly in the practical, so I will show you that practical also as usual as possible. First, we will understand what is the absolute cell reference. There is no dollar sign and it's by default. So there are some few information you can saw in the instruction. It's clearly showing C3 right. So in C3 we will write A3 into B3. Yani C3 is the total value. We have the price and the quantity, so we have to write a formula. C3 what? A3 is this one. So you can click also, multiply, you can click also. So now there A3 into B3. But if we drag this one, see, if we drag this one from here at the corner in Excel, we can drag, so it will be changed. F4 P4. You can see clearly F4 P4, right? Like this, F5 P5. So about the tax amount, we can't use relative cell reference. We need fixed because we have that tax amount which is fixed. So we can't change this amount. So first, for now, C3, this is total amount, into we have to click this one F3, press F4, it will be fixed both, then we can drag, it will be fixed. See, all the formula have F3, 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 it will not change. Got it? Mixed, fixed, yani fixed. So we will go in the table 2. For the table 2, there we have to multiply by the cross. So we will use mixed cell reference. 12 is fixed and the A13 A is fixed. Why? Because all the A value will be same. So for this one, A is fixed, so we can drag. This is the Excel cell reference. Maybe you now understand what is the cell reference exactly. So for now, this is the cell reference. So don't make any kind of mistake. This is the cell reference. That's it for the day 3. If you understand the relation, Excel will become the most easier to you. In next video, we will share start Excel function. Thank you for watching. See you in the day 4.